Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is currently Thursday night and I get my braces off tomorrow, Friday, May 17th, and I'm really nervous because my teeth are like so sensitive and I'm like 99.9% sure it's gonna hurt. I know lots of people say it doesn't, but my teeth are so bad. Literally, I could be driving on the highway with my windows down and just like be having a normal conversation, not even fully opening my mouth, and they'll hurt. So like, I'm nervous, but I'm also like excited because number one, I'm really curious to see what I look like without braces because I had them on for 2 years, and the last time I saw my teeth without braces, I was a freshman. This is probably the number one comment on all of my videos is when I get my braces off, and I actually told you guys that I was supposed to get them off earlier because I was. A couple appointments ago, they had them scheduled to get taken off, but I guess I wasn't wearing my bands and they weren't moved how they wanted them to yet, so I guess they weren't ready to be taken off, so they didn't, and then they pushed it back to tomorrow. I really hope I can get them off tomorrow. It's been a good 2 years with them on, and I'm so ready to have them taken off. They're so annoying. A couple of weeks ago, they gave me this like permanent bottom retainer. It's only on the bottom, not on the top, where it's basically like a wire that is cemented to the inside, like here of my teeth. And it's supposed to keep my teeth straight and in line even when my braces come off. And then they're gonna give me like one that I put in and out at night on the top. Tonight I literally brushed my teeth for like 5 minutes just because like I'm so afraid that my teeth are gonna be like stained with like the squares, if you know what I mean. Also, I just got out of the shower and I look a bit sunburned because I was literally outside all day today. It was so nice. It was like 70 degrees out and I got my first swim of the summer in with somebody and it was really fun. I had such a good time and it was just a really productive day for me today. I woke up super early and I went for a run. I had a really healthy breakfast. I'll try and find a picture of before my braces and put them right here. If no picture appears, I'm sorry, I could not find one, but just know that I did search top and bottom to find one and I unfortunately did not find one. I feel like I was really happy with them like a year ago and I was ready to get them taken off a year ago. But I know it depends on other things, like if you have an overbite or an underbite or just so they can align in general. And it depends on way more than just like how straight they look. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is currently May 17th, the morning of me getting my braces off. It is currently 8:20 and I have to be there at 9. So I am going to straighten my hair. I'm not going to do too much makeup just because I feel like, not that I'm going to cry, but like my eyes are probably going to water, and like if I'm wearing mascara, I don't want it to run, so I'm probably just going to do like some eyebrows. This is a really weird angle. I never sit you guys down here. You're usually on the tripod like up here. But I don't really have time to do my normal setup with like my ring light and everything, so you guys, I'm actually going to Dorney Park today. They opened last weekend or 2 weekends ago, and I didn't get to go, but today I'm going with my best friend Maddie, so I'm gonna pick her up after my appointment. I really hope my teeth don't like hurt too bad, because I want to be able to like go on rides and stuff and still go in general. If it does end up hurting, I'm probably just gonna suck it up because I really want to go and I missed last weekend when they opened. So it is now 8:34 and I'm gonna go brush and scrub my teeth and put my bands in, and then I'll be on the way.
Mom, you can have a seat right over here. the vibration. Perfect. And here you can wipe off. And clean you up a little.
There's something missing. Everybody says that you feel like there's something missing, and I feel it. When I brushed, it burned around my gums. I cannot talk. No, I can't. She said that I have to keep it in all the time, night and day, just take it out when I'm eating for a whole month. And then after a month, I can wear it just in my sleep. I'm going to Dorney today, so I'm gonna sound so stupid. Right now, the only thing that hurts is my retainer. It's like really, really tight, and I'm gonna take it off for granted. I can't even talk right, and I'm gonna be eating there anyways. But the thing that hurt the most was when she was taking the things off of the back on both the top and the bottom. The drilling didn't really hurt too bad, which that's usually what hurts because they have to like keep that suction thing in your mouth, which makes my mouth really dry. And like I said, my teeth are so sensitive to air, so I thought that would hurt more, but it didn't. So once it was past like the first just getting off like the brackets, which hurt really bad, like I was like cringing, I couldn't even sit still. But after that, it was fine and nothing else really hurt. After they were all done taking the braces off, they got me that retainer for like the mold, I guess. And then they took me back for x-rays, and I couldn't record back there obviously because I couldn't have the camera like by the equipment. But I was trying so hard not to laugh. Like, I don't know why every time I have to get like something x-rayed on my teeth, like I just think that I just want to laugh every time. Like the machine, I don't know. Yeah. So that was it for this vlog. I'm gonna be doing like whitening powders and whitening toothpaste and things like that because my teeth are a bit yellow. But yeah, other than that, I really love how straight they look, and I'm really happy with them. Me and Maddie are about to go to Dorney. I'm probably gonna take it for that, but overall the experience was not as bad as I thought it was. Like, if you are somebody that's like scared to get their braces off, the worst part was just when they had to take it off, which is right in the beginning, and then everything else after that was super easy. And that's coming from somebody with super, super sensitive teeth. So if you have like normal teeth, it'll probably be a lot easier and smoother and just better for you. But that was just my personal experience. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you have braces or not. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on all of my post notifications so you can get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. I sound really weird right now. She asked me what my last name was, and I was like, Ashishi, and she was like, what? But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you all so, so much, and bye guys.